Starting with a slant line, making a small knot and making a low line curve which is not as deep as U. Then from here making a C curve. If this is ending at this point, the low line C curve is ending at this point, and this C curve is not very deep. Point should be bit ahead and behind. If you make a straight R, it will go up straight. In this case, you'll observe that the points are just up and down, I mean in the straight line. So this will give a straight look, of course, but in this case you can make out this is giving a slant look and this is going parallel with this line, which is very important to give a slant R look. Otherwise we'll end up with this form of R. We'll make 4 such R again. R is an alphabet wherein most of the mistakes can be made. The very common one is this R. So this has to be avoided because this has no connectivity on both the sides. One more R written is of this form. Okay, so this is usually used in the print form and it is again not having any connectivity. This is not the proper cursive R. Straight line, they will make small knot and just make it like this. So either it is giving proper curves, so it is not at all beautiful. So try to avoid this one. And the last and the most common one is this. Okay, not giving a pointed appearance on this corner and just taking a curve. So this sometimes mix up with either S or R. These forms of R have to be avoided.
That's all for today. To watch the videos in series, kindly like and subscribe the channel. See you in the next video. Till then, happy writing!